Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to wash our baby clothes on our Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the latest Samsung front load washing machine model. The user interface or the steps might be a bit different for other Samsung models. If we have babies or small kids at home, then we need to take extra care when washing their clothes. Their skin is very sensitive, so the way we wash baby clothes is completely different from adult clothes. We have a 4-year-old son with us now, and right from the beginning, we took extra care while doing this. Using the same wash cycle or detergent that we use for ourselves can actually cause skin irritation and rashes for babies. In this video, we will show the correct and safe way to wash baby clothes using a Samsung front load washing machine. These steps may be applicable for other brand washing machines too, but as always, kindly refer the user manual as well. Number 1, we should always keep our washing machine clean, not just the outside but the inside as well. That includes the debris filter, inlet filter, rubber gasket, detergent drawer, etc. We should keep all of them clean. Also, we should do drum clean or drum clean plus regularly. This will completely clean our drum and sanitize it. So this is equally important. We made separate videos for this. We will share them in the description. Number 2, we have to use a separate laundry bag for our baby clothes. We should not mix them with our clothes. We might have sports wear, extra dirty clothes, etc. So we should not mix them. Right now we are using this one from Nilkamal. So far it is good. They could have improved the lid quality a bit, but overall it is fine. I'll share all the product links in the description. Kindly check them after watching this video if you're interested. Number 3, we have to check the care labels properly. We have this tag on almost all the brand clothes where they provide washing and drying instructions. I'm not sure if my camera can focus this properly. I'll take a photo of this and share on the screen for you. And yes, we have to wash dark color clothes separately, especially new ones because of dye transfer. Number 4, we have to wash the baby clothes separately as well. We should not mix them with our clothes because we will be using some specific wash cycles for this, so it will not be good for both the babies and the adults. And also, using heavy clothes like towels and jeans will crush the baby clothes and remove the softness. So we have to avoid that. And a small tip, we should always pre-wash new clothes before letting our baby wear them. There are several reasons for this, like if we got this from a store, then people would have tried this several times. So we can pre-wash this to clean this properly. Number 5, we have to avoid fabric softeners because they contain residues, chemicals, etc. for improving the fabric and adding artificial fragrances. Even if they sell something exclusive for babies, I would suggest avoiding them. This may be fine for adults, but for babies, we don't have to use them. Number 6, this is applicable for the laundry detergent pots too. They have highly concentrated detergent and contains the same chemicals like fabric softener inside, so we have to avoid them totally. Number 7, the liquid detergents we generally use for our clothes do a good job, but when it comes to babies and their sensitive skin and clothes, we can try something specialized for them. There are several brands out there, but right now we are using this one from Himalaya. I'll share the product link in the description. I personally avoid powder detergent for baby clothes. As much as they can remove the dirt properly, it may not dissolve quickly in the water like liquid detergent does. Number 8, for extra sensitive clothes, we can use a laundry mesh bag like this, or if we don't want small clothes to get lost, we can add them inside like socks and stuff. Not mandatory, but we can keep this if we want. Number 9, we have to choose the proper wash cycle for this. This is a combination of using the right water temperature, rinse level and speed. By default on our Samsung washer, we can go with cotton. If we have a large amount of cotton clothes, we can try this, but make sure to use warm water for this. We can also add an extra rinse for this to clean this properly. We can also try the hygiene steam if we want extra sanitation. This is good for baby towels. If not, we can try the built-in Samsung baby care wash cycle. We can try this. It will have all the recommended values to clean the clothes. Quick tip, if you have the SmartThings app installed on your smartphone, then you can create custom wash cycles for babies. Like we have baby towels, baby blankets, etc. This will be helpful to wash easily. Number 10, we should avoid any quick wash or super speed wash cycles as they do aggressive cleaning without proper rinsing. This is not recommended for baby clothes as it affects the quality. So we should not do this in a hurry. And number 11, don't keep the baby clothes inside the drum for too long after the wash cycle is complete. You have to take them out and quickly sun dry them. Now let's do a wash. We have some baby clothes which needs extra cleaning and sanitation. We added the clothes to the drum around 4 kg. Now we are going to select the baby care wash cycle. This one is recommended by Samsung. 90°C is hot, but it will do a good job clearing all the bacteria. We can also reduce this to 60. If we don't want it to be too hot, we can use 60. But generally, we should use around 40 for normal baby clothes which are not heavily soiled. So we have to put a maximum of 4 kg clothes. This will take around 2 hours to complete. We had a 90°C earlier. We changed it to 60. 90° is fine if we want to have extra sanitation. For example, if our baby has stomach infection and it got spread through the clothes, we can use 90°C hot water to completely clear the bacteria. So after that, we have to make sure the door is properly closed. And finally, we are using the specialized liquid detergent for baby clothes. We just have to open the detergent drawer and we have to put this in the liquid detergent compartment. And we should not add any fabric softener here. And again, I don't recommend powder detergent. Liquid detergent is fine. So after adding the liquid detergent, we just have to close this. And now we can start the wash cycle. That's all. These are the steps to wash baby clothes in our Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.